POV, coming home from work.
Hi, Mr. Beepy.
The birds start to wind down around 4:30 p.m. They know my schedule. I get home around 5 to 6:30 most days. I think they do it to recharge their Zoomy batteries. They are about to hear me come in. Watch how their body language changes. Abu has but pantaloons. They immediately stretch and start to preen. You'll see they all acknowledge, stretch when I say hello to them individually.
Hi, chickens.
We are not the chickens.
How are you doing? Did we have a good day? Hi, pretty bird.
Yeah. We are cute look.
The robot raccoon stuck. Hi, pretty berries. Hi, Mr. Abubus. Hi, Pikachu. Hi, pretty bird.
They are content, preening, seeing what Emma do. I left to go save the vacuum. He got stuck in one of the bedrooms. I walk back in here. Again with stretches.
Is she not gonna let us out?
I dropped a piece of the vacuum in the recycling. You hear me looking for it.
Typical. Mom never charges her phone.
Notice how they aren't freaking out. Your bird ideally should be desensitized and know you're a safe thing to be around. They seem to think the noise means it's time to party low. Blippi is a whole other bracket of high energy.
I have a stinky itch.
Happy chatters that I'm home.